Hi, I'm Ronnie from Alina Group, and it's a steamy hot Sunday morning, and we're doing another Allied installation, and T23 opened the store for us today so we can get this equipment to provide excellent customer service to our customer who was out air conditioning for a couple of days. So we're very grateful to Greg and Ray, the manager there, for coordinating this. We are super grateful, and my customer is so happy. Thank you. And we are putting in a 4-ton 16 seer, which is going to be great energy efficiency. And this is our customer, Amy. And we also want to thank Tropic Supply for recognizing Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And she is wearing our shirt.
Thank you.
And Keo is ripping out the old air handler here. And we're going to be putting in our new Allied. This is an old decrepit Amana, which is made by Goodman. So we have our air handler in place, and we're just gonna get this taped up and masticed. And our condenser's in place, and we're getting ready to pump this down. And we are pumped down and ready for startup. And we are on startup here, and we just love this Allied equipment. Dependable, reliable, great value for the customer. It's an amazing piece of equipment. And I want to thank again Tropic Supply, all the girls up there, Heather, Kathleen, and Stephanie. Thank you so much. And have a blessed weekend.
I just wanted to say thank you to Alina Group and Tropic Supply for making this happen for me today. My house is night and day from the way it used to be. I could not be happier. Thank you.